Ooh, too close. All right, guys. Today I'm talking really fast because we are about to install something really quick and make a quick video because maybe you guys don't know this or maybe you do know this, but this looks like a piece of crap. This here looks like absolute crap. Really, bro? Really? You gonna do that? Anyways, let's go ahead and get this video started. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you like the video at the end of the video, which is not that long, so you guys should watch it, like my video. Thanks. It helps me out, it helps you out, so you can see more content. Trust me in the process. Trust the process. So let's go ahead and get started. This should be a quick install. The first thing you should do is, of course, unlatch the hood. So basically for the G35, actually, Nick, you're gonna be doing this. I'm just gonna be directing. So there's only 4 screws, I believe, that should be holding this together on the top here. There's 1, second one, third one, fourth one. Other than that, this moves. I don't know if it's supposed to be moving. Oh, and there's also some latches in here. Show them over here up close. That are like right here and here. I guess after you take this off, you just slide it and it comes out, right? So let's go ahead and get to that. Nick, you're gonna be doing honors. For ours, I don't know if you guys' bumper is different because this bumper was put on by somebody else. I don't know if they use the same screws, but this is a Star, well, a Phillips on this too. Well, this right here and this one right here. And then these are just clamp-ons. These are already almost about to come out, so I believe he should be able to just pull these out and then you just gotta unscrew the other ones. So let's go ahead and do that. Nick, you're gonna, oh, I know I'm ashy. I don't even have to tell myself that. Nick's gonna be doing that, and I'm gonna go ahead and record him and relax with no drink. I'm thirsty, by the way. Thanks. See you guys in a second. Sorry for this. I just recorded. Oh my gosh. Guys, I look like an idiot. All right, here goes Nick. My battery might actually die pretty soon. Pull on it more, a little bit tighter. Press down on the one, turn it. Yeah, there you go. Take that off. I'm gonna go ahead and just start pulling these off since we don't got time. Yeah, there we go. Clamps, guys, clamps. In the key. Alright, after you take out those screws, there's gonna be like 2 clamps here and another one over here. You're just gonna fidget it out and it'll come out. And there goes the old one that looks like crap. Whoever owned this car before, please, I'm sorry, but this is horrible. This is stupid. Why would you put trunk liner on your car? It's not even plastic. This is trunk liner. It's just, look at this. It's just horrible. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put on that, and we're gonna reapply it the same way we took it off in reverse. Guys, are you guys ready? Look at this. So now next, I'm not gonna really record us putting those in, but it's these holes, match up the hose line. This kit doesn't actually have the right placement for the hole. We're not gonna drill it. We're just gonna put it into 3 that fit, and it should hold snug, and we should be done with this install. So we'll come back to you guys and show you what it looks like in a better view, of course. And guys, if you look at that, it's installed on his G. That was pretty much it. It's basic install. Doesn't take too long. But let me go ahead and close this video out for you guys because my battery is about to die. So thank you for watching. If you liked it, say hi to Luke, say hi to Nick's car. I don't know if he has a name for it yet, but we're pretty much out. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe and also like. There's also more content coming. So yeah, peace out. And ew, there's some dude on the ground. I don't know what that is, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.